This Sri Lankan chicken curry is creamy, spicy, high in protein, and the best thing I've eaten in ages. We're making it from scratch, including the roasted curry powder, in just 35 minutes. So the curry powder is the secret ingredient. It is rich and earthy and absolutely delicious, and probably unlike anything you've had before unless you've done a Sri Lankan curry powder. I'm only using 5 ingredients. Curry leaves, you can get them in the supermarket, but you might be easier to get them on Amazon or eBay. But you just toast those spices in a dry pan for a few minutes until they start to pop, let them cool down, and then blitz them in a spice grinder until you have this rich, dark, amazing smelling curry powder. Once that's done, to make the curry, we're going to heat some coconut oil on a high heat in a wok, and we're going to add in a chopped or sliced onion and give that a few minutes until it's softened. Add in equal measures of garlic and ginger along with 2 sliced green chilies, de-seeded or not, totally up to you, and fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding in our spices. So we're going to add in some chili powder, turmeric, paprika, the Sri Lankan curry powder, cumin, and some cinnamon. Just stir that through and give it about 30 seconds more before adding in your chicken. As you can see, I'm using chicken breast to keep the calories down, but you could easily use chicken thighs. And you're just going to cook that for a few minutes to just try and get rid of the pink on the outside and just give it some more flavour. If your chicken and spices stick to the bottom of the pan, add in a little bit of water to help loosen things and scrape up all those yummy burnt bits of flavour from the bottom before adding in your light coconut milk and some salt and tomato puree. That's it. Then you just stir it, keep it on the high heat and simmer for about 10 minutes.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
For plating this up, it goes really well obviously with rice or some breads, and then I like to garnish this with some fresh coriander and a little squeeze of lime. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe, you can get it along with a load of others in my high protein recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. Hopefully see you back on the channel again soon. See ya!